back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one looked very promising. It is non-phone, so I just wanted to share. We're going to dive all in. Just know the links to every page that I share is linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Vaco. Now, Vaco has a little over 1.1 thousand reviews on Glassdoor, and they have a rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a commercial policy processor. Now, this is remote for the United States. However, it does state that they would like the candidates to work East Coast hours Monday through Friday. So you do need to convert your time zone if you're not on the East Coast or the Eastern time zone. You'll need to convert your time zone to that time zone to see if regular Monday through Friday daytime hours would work for you. But this is fully remote. They are paying $22 an hour. Now, Vaco has partnered with their client for a unique and innovative national commercial insurance company to hire a policy processor. Now, they want their policy processor to perform accurate data entry into multiple platform processing systems. You'll also provide clerical support to their customer service and underwriting teams, so you'll do administrative and clerical work for those teams. You'll search and validate new business data via their online resources. You'll perform quality control checks to make sure all the data is correct, and you'll balance and track policy inventories. So completely non-phone. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. They do want somebody who has 2 to 5 years of some kind of data entry or data processing experience. They prefer somebody who has commercial insurance experience, but that is not required. You do need to know how to work those Microsoft Office systems, Excel, Word, Outlook, be a great problem solver, detail-oriented, and the ability to be resilient and positive. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.